So basically you're just supposed to stick this over the end of your bread and it's supposed to keep it nice and fresh. Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting day. We have a couple new things we're going to be talking about that I've never did on my channel before. And if you're excited to find out what they are, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, become a Fam Jam member, and hit the thumbs up button too, so that way I know if you like the video or not. And today we're going to be talking about the Target Beauty Box and this big free special delivery from Taste to Home box that I got from Influencer. So let's dive into these boxes, guys. So I had seen a lady do a video on 2 of the Target beauty boxes for April, and I don't really see these boxes like talked about very much at all, and I feel like they are such a good deal for what you get inside. They're only $7. If you use your Target Red Card, you get an extra 5% off, and then you get free shipping. So I ended up only paying $7.07 for this box right here. And this was the Target Naturals box. And I just love the little box. The lid is so cute. So the little card talks about some all natural beauty. And then on the back it shows all of the like what's in the box and then like how to use the products. And then also comes with a nice little coupon on the bottom that you can use for $3 off of a $15 beauty purchase, which that's exciting. I'll take a coupon. So inside the box it comes with this cute little tissue paper, and you open it up, and I actually got 6 products in this box, which is really good. So first up, I got this Complete Repair Balm. It's a no rinse kneaded conditioner. You just put it in damp towel dried hair as like an extra like an actual almost like a hair mask, but it's a leave-in. I'm really excited to try this out. And it's 2 fluid ounces. The bottle is a pretty good size, so I could probably get like heck almost like 8 uses out of this probably. And then next up I got this Love Beauty and Planet Luscious Hydration Coconut Water and Mimosas Flower Hand Lotion. This is really cute. I've seen this brand, I want to say I've seen it at Walmart and Target, and this smells so good like coconuts, and I will enjoy using this in my purse. Next up is this Shea Moisture Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub with tea tree oil and tamarind extract. It's for blemish prone skin. So here's the bottle, and you really get a decent size. Like this says it's 1.5 ounces, and like it feels pretty full. Like I feel like I could get like a good amount of uses out of this. Next up we got this Schmidt's Cedarwood and Juniper Natural soap for face and body. It's a 1 ounce. It's a little bar soap. And I was really excited to see that this was in this month's box, because I love using bar soap to clean my beauty blenders. If y'all don't know, but using a bar soap to clean your beauty blender really just cleans it way better than any other, just like using pumped hand soap to like wash it. The bar soap works amazing, so I'm excited to try this out on my beauty blenders actually. So next we got this Love Beauty and Planet 2-minute magic mask. It's for your hair. So this is the foil packet, and this thing is like completely full. Like I bet I could use this like at least 4 times or 5. Like this is a really good size sample. And then we also got this Burt's Bees Fluoride toothpaste. And here's what it looks like, and it also comes with a $1 off coupon in the back. In case I enjoy it, I can get another one. And here's the size of the tube, which is a, you know, standard travel size little tube. So excited to try that out as well. I think I own one of the Burt's Bees like little chapsticks, but I think that's the only thing I own from them. So that is everything in the box this month. And the neat thing about the Target Beauty Box is you just get online and there's like, I think there's 5 different boxes you can choose from. And it's not a subscription service, so you can just pick one if you want it, if the products look interesting to you. And then if there's months where they don't even look interesting, you don't have to get one. You can just get it if you want it, you know. So I'm actually really excited to be doing this on my channel. I think it's a cute little subscription box that's under 10 bucks. And you get good size, like actual samples in here. So next I wanted to show you guys what is in this massive Taste of Home box that I got. So whenever I got my Influencer Boss Babe box, there was this brochure in the box that you can go on the Taste of Home website and put it in. And I got this whole box of Taste of Home goodies for free. Like, it's crazy. So inside the box, here's what it looks like. And it also comes with this little pamphlet talking about the products inside. And it also has these little delicious looking recipe cards. So opening it up, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. Like, here's what it looks like. A lot of stuff. So first thing I see is this Heart Swizzle Stick Ice Mold. Here's what it looks like. Now, I don't drink any alcohol and neither does my family, but I think this would be kind of cute just to take out the plastic piece and just use the mold and use it to make little ice cubes to put in your drinks during the summer, you know, tea or lemonade and stuff. I think this is actually really cute and I will probably use it for that. Next up in the box is this Tovolo, don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Rinse and Store Berry Colander. So basically what it says is you can rinse it in here because it has little holes, and then you can turn it upside down and store this in your fridge and the water will drain into the lid, and that way it keeps all the fruit in the container. So I think that is really cool and nifty. I like that. So then next up is this bread cap, which I've never seen anything like this. Here's what the box looks like. Basically, it's to be able to put over any like fresh little loaves of bread you get, and that way it'll keep the end from drying out. So here's what it looks like. It's kind of interesting. So basically you're just supposed to stick this over the end of your bread and it's supposed to keep it nice and fresh. If it'll work, I don't know. Next up is these really cute bright yellow lemon tongs. I think these are so cute for summer coming up. And yeah, not much to say. They're just some bright yellow tongs. Super cute. Love the color. Next we got this dishwasher safe wooden spreader, which this looks really cool. Here's what it is. It is like pure wood and looks really like sturdy. I'm really interested in this. I think this is really cute. Then next we got this whole like box mix of this traditional popover. It looks kind of like it could be kind of like a croissant style of like a breakfast style croissant or something. So it is a whole mix and it makes 12 popovers, and all you have to do is add water eggs and some melted butter. That's pretty easy, so that's pretty cool. And then last thing in the box is we got this whole big book of 201 recipes. Like, this thing is huge. It's a big book. And so it shows you all kinds of things that you can make. That looks delicious. So that is what I got in this free Taste of Home goodie box. I don't know the name of it. So leave me a comment, guys, what you think looked interesting, or if you're, hey, also let me know if you're going to try out the Target beauty box or not. They are still available online. I do know that as you get further into the month, the Target beauty boxes do sell out. So go check that out. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.